Record na. Sige lang.
Good day, Ma'am G. This is YUMAR GLEPONIO together with my partner, KARL, ANDREI GUMARAO. And for today, we are going to discuss the article, Interdisciplinary Communication and Critical Thinking. This article hopes to answer this hypothesis. Critical thinking supports and might be supported by effective processes of interdisciplinary communication. The potential cybernetic loops between these two kinds of cognitive processes might generate important and useful synergies by means of co-amplifying positive feedback and co-regulative negative feedback loops.
What is interdisciplinary communication? This one refers to the ability of professionals to mutually understand each other and to draw on each other's expertise. When communication is fluid and ideas can flow freely, our ability to achieve and problem solve will be improved. Cybernetic loop is a simple diagram which captures the flow of how self-regulatory systems behave. To put forth, information system developers, especially those who are analysts, need to be able to communicate with the different disciplines as well as with the users, who are mostly non-disciplinaries and even workers and clerks who might not have a formal college education. For example, information systems supporting activities in human resources requires the identification, verification, and validation of requirements from professionals in psychology, accountancy, finance, economics, lawyers, managers, statisticians, unions, and among others.
On the other hand, the kind of thinking required for interdisciplinary communication need mental activities that might support additional development in critical thinking skills and those who are willing to exercise their cognitive and cognitive capacities in communications with different disciplines. Since what is common to different disciplines is critical thinking, and what might differentiate them is the respective domain-specific knowledge, including specific methods, concepts, definitions, theories, and techniques. It seems evident to conclude that critical thinking is what might effectively communicate disciplinarians from different disciplines. Example, critical thinking is an interdisciplinary form of thinking and might provide an effective support for interdisciplinary communication.
Moreover, being common to different disciplines, critical thinking might support the communication among the disciplines or among the disciplinarians. Critical thinking might also support non-disciplinarians' communication as, for example, the one required for communicating science and engineering with the general public, which is an important feature for legitimating scientific and engineering activities, especially those related to basic research. Consequently, as preliminary conclusion, we might venture to the hypothesis or reflection that we made at the beginning of this short article, which is critical thinking supports and might be supported by effective processes of interdisciplinary communication. If this is a valid reflection, then co-regulative and synergy co-amplifying cybernetic loops might be generated via negative and positive feedback respectively.
That could be all. Thank you.